just after midnight when I heard the captain shout,
"Curse the devil below, for there are rats about."
They were climbing up the gangway, they were crawling up the sheets. Every sailor had 100 snapping at his feet.
"What shall we do?"
cried the sailors as the rats began to dance. Here's a hopeless situation, but we had one chance. Every man go ashore, searching this way and that. Don't dare to show your faces till you found our cat.
Swing it high, swing it low, if it hollers, let it go. If it's gone, there's only one way to take care of that. You must grab it by its feet, swing it high, swing it deep. You might save a life and die if you can swing a cat.
Well, you know, that is a cat. It's invisible, but I guess it's a cat, so it still counts. But how can you find the feet? You know, to swing it?
Work your way down.
So we sprang to the docks and we bolted through the town. Every young man and old man switching up and down. 300 sailors on the loose. What do you think of that? And every sultry sailor screamed out our cat. Then back to the ship we went running with our prizes. We had cats of many colors, we had cats of many sizes. When the rats saw us coming, they all began to shout,
"Curse the devil below, for there are rats about." Swing it high, swing it low, if it hollers, let it go. If it's down, there's only one way to take care of that. You must grab it by its feet, swing it high and swing it deep. You might save a life with that if you can swing a cat.
Right. So it's another.
Imagine, right.
So this is the theme is imaginary or invisible cats, I guess.
Apparently, Hobbs isn't smiling.
They're like God. You know they're there. You can't see them, but you know they're there.
Well, it's just a big smile.
All right, let's finish this. So we let our kitties loose on that unsuspecting horde. The rats by the thousands scrambled overboard. They were swept out to sea, every germinal tail. The morning light upon us, then we hoisted sail.
Now we sail by the ocean.
And we're such a happy crew. With our invisible kitties to help us, we got nothing much to do. If a cat catches 2 fish, he's sure to give you one. And they'll sing us all to sleep when the day is done.
Swing it high, swing it low. Swing it high, swing it low.
Is it dead or alive? I don't know.
I think the cat's dead.
Yes, maybe, but we don't know. If it's drowned,
There's only one way to take care of
open the box.
No, you'll kill it.
Just grab it by its feet. They're in there somewhere. Swinging high,
swinging deep.
You might say
Save a life at that if you can swing.
You know, I think I just heard the sound of a proton decaying.